Hi, Chuck Edgar from Pensacola, Florida. I decided to attend Drone Command Live while researching some refresher IT courses. Um, Found the course material, sounded interesting, decided to give it a try, and so far so good. Very impressed with the presentation. Very impressed with the providers of the course. My two biggest takeaways today, and today is just the first day of the course, two biggest takeaways so far today are mindset and marketing. And both of those things will be required to start a successful business in general, not just a drone business. Attending virtually was very beneficial. Probably would not have attended otherwise, but now that I'm attending the course, sitting in on it, um, it would have been worth the travel had you not had this opportunity. Um, for someone who's sitting on the fence about attending Drone Command Live, I would say go ahead and jump off the fence, give it a try. Um, it's a great opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a business that is still in its infancy, still has time to grow. And most valuable lessons I've learned so far um, is that the message is more important than the medium on how you do your advertising and who you deliver that advertisement to. That's going to be very vital. Describing Damon and Diego. Um, just like the course, they appear to be very rubber meets the road guys, showing you how to get the business started, how to get it up and running, and how to get it going to start generating a cash flow. Thanks again. Look forward to the rest of the course and appreciate everything you're providing.